Well, we're going to turn very quickly. I believe is it Tamara down in Adianta? Tamara, is that right?
Tamara.
Tamara, my apologies. If you will go with your question, that'd be great.
Okay. Well, I had a little fender bender this morning, and gave the person my information. It was my fault. I backed into that person, and but we didn't make a police report. So I'm just wondering, is the insurance company going to need some kind of police report in order to take care of his vehicle?
That's a great question.
What if a police report is taken, but someone lies on that report in terms of what you were mentioning? They don't take fault for it, or they pass the blame. What do you do in a situation like that?
That's a great question, and unfortunately, it happens more often than you think. I think the important part is to collect as much evidence as you can. Even with our email question, if there's broken property or you're at the scene and the other driver is speaking to you and saying different things than they're telling the officer, pull your phone out. I mean, you take pictures of whatever you can. Just collect evidence, and that makes your side of the story more credible. It's a balancing act, right? So who's more credible based on all the other surrounding information?
Yeah.
So the more surrounding information you collect, the better.
That's great advice. And with phones these days.
Oh yeah, and the officers generally do a really good job. Like if there's some dispute on who did what,
yes,
they'll reach out and see if there's witnesses. Often we will see accident reports that say one person said one thing, one person said another. However, witness 1 and 2 both corroborated so-and-so's story. So we see that a lot.
Yes.
And the officers all over the state do a really good job with accident reports.
Or even based on the skid marks and damage to the car itself. I mean, there's lots of information out there.
Ways to find out. And these days with cameras everywhere, I'm sure that probably comes into help a lot of times as well.
It really does.
Yeah, to add up to all that. So, Tamara, just a little bit more information for you there, and everyone, if you're in that situation going forward.